parts and wholes. Hello dear children, good morning. I, Parul Madam, welcome you all in the online mathematics class. Today we are going to start a new lesson. Lesson number 4 of mathematics, parts and wholes. That is, we will be studying fractions. So, let's start. In the first figure, you can see a whole circle and a rectangle is given. In the second figure, you can see that a circle and a rectangle both are divided into two equal parts. Each part is 1/2. In the third figure, you can see a circle and a rectangle. Both are divided into 3 equal parts. Each part is 1/3. In the fourth figure, you can see that a circle and a rectangle both are divided into 4 equal parts. Each part is 1/4. In the fifth figure, you can see that a circle and a rectangle both are divided into 5 equal parts. Each part is 1/5. Similarly, in the sixth figure, a circle and a rectangle both are divided into 6 equal parts. Each part is 1/6. In the seventh figure, a circle and a rectangle both are divided into 7 equal parts. Each part is 1/7. In the eighth picture, a circle and a rectangle both are divided into 8 equal parts. So each part is 1/8. In the ninth figure, a circle and a rectangle both are divided into 9 equal parts. Each part is 1/9. Now in the last figure, that is 10th figure, a circle and a rectangle both are divided into 10 equal parts. Each part is 1/10. We all know the flag of India. It is as shown in the given figure. Do you know how to draw the flag? First, draw a rectangle of length 9 cm and width 6 cm. Divide it into 3 equal parts and complete the flag. The top 1/3 of our flag is saffron or orange. Now, children, can you tell me what is the color of the middle 1/3 of the flag? The color of the middle 1/3 of the flag is white. Now, where will you draw the Ashok Chakra? I will draw the Ashok Chakra in the middle of the white portion of the flag. That is, the Ashok Chakra is drawn at the center of the flag inside the white strip. Now next, how much of the flag will you color green? I will color 1/3 of the flag green. Next one, Is the white color now less than 1/3 of the flag? Why? Answer: yes, the white color is less than 1/3 of the flag because of the blue Ashok Chakra, which is present in the white part of the Indian flag. Now look at this flag of Afghanistan. This flag is divided into 3 equal parts with black, red and green color. Now answer the following questions. First one, how much of it is black in color? Answer: only one part out of the 3 parts of the flag is black. So we can write the answer as 1/3 of the flag is black. Second, as green color occupies one of the 3 equal parts, so the green part of the flag can be written as, answer is 1/3. Third one, is red less than 1/3 of the flag? Why? Answer: yes, the red part is little less than 1/3 of the flag. This is because of the white emblem present in the red portion. Now look at the flag of Myanmar, our neighbor. Question: is blue color more than 1/4 of the flag or less? Answer is, the blue color is little less than 1/4 of the flag. Children, this is because of the white emblem in the blue portion. Next one, guess how much of the flag is red in color? Is it more than half or is it more than 3/4? Answer: the red color is present in more than 3/4 of the flag. Now children, see the flag of the math club in a school of Kerala. What part of the flag is colored red? Out of the 5 equal parts, 2 parts, the top and the bottom part, are both red in color. So we can say that 2/5 part of the flag is colored red. Second one, what part is green? Answer: only one part out of the 5 equal parts is green. So we can say that 1/5 part of the flag is green. Now next one, what part of the flag is blue in color? Answer: here also only one part out of the 5 equal parts is blue. So we can say that 1/5 part of the flag is blue. Next question. What part of the flag is yellow in color? Answer. In yellow color, black logo is present and the word Math Club is also present. So, less than 1/5 part of the flag is yellow. Children, now let us make a magic top. Take a cardboard piece, draw a circle of radius 3 cm and cut it out. Divide the circle into 8 equal parts. Now each part will be 1/8 of the circle. Color 2/8 part red, 1/8 part orange, 1/8 part yellow, 1/8 part green, 1/8 part blue, another 1/8 part purple, and the last 1/8 part in light purple color as shown in the figure. Push a matchstick through the center of the circle. Your magic top is ready. Now spin it very fast. What do you see? Can you see all the colors? Answer is no. We cannot see all the colors when the magic top is spinning. Next question. Then what do you see? Answer. We can see a white circular top spinning. Now practice time, page number 52. A chocolate bar. Manju has a chocolate bar. Children, can you see a chocolate bar in the figure? There are 12 pieces of this chocolate bar. This chocolate bar, she distributed it among 3 more children named Raji, Sugatha and Sheila. 1/4 of this chocolate bar she gave to Raji. 1/3 she gave to Sugatha. 1/6 she gave to Sheila. And the remaining part Manju ate herself. So question is, how many pieces of chocolate did each of them get? Answer. As we have already seen, total 12 pieces are there in the chocolate bar. Out of these 12 pieces, Raji got 1/4 part. So 1/4 of 12 is 12 divided by 4, that is 3 pieces. Raji got 3 pieces. Now Sugatha got 1/3 of the 12 pieces. So 12 divided by 3 is 4 pieces. So Sugatha got 4 pieces of the chocolate bar. Sheila got 1/6 of the 12 pieces. So 12 divided by 6, that is 2 pieces. So Sheila got 2 pieces of the chocolate bar. As we have seen, Raji got 3 pieces, Sugdha got 4 pieces and Sheila got 2 pieces of the chocolate bar. Now we have to find what part of the chocolate did Manju eat. Now answer is total pieces distributed among Raji, Sukhtha and Sheila is 3 plus 4 plus 2, that is 9 pieces. So Manju distributed 9 pieces to these 3 children. But in the chocolate bar there are 12 pieces. So Manju ate 12 minus 9, that is 3 pieces. Now part of the chocolate bar eaten by Manju is 3 parts out of 12 parts. So 3 by 12, that is 1/4 part of the chocolate bar was eaten by Manju. Now B. Color the hats. Page number 53. In this figure, total 15 hats are drawn. You are supposed to color 1/3 of the hats red. How many hats will you color red? Answer: out of 15 hats, 1/3 hat is to be colored red. So 1/3 of 15 is 15 divided by 3, that is 5 hats. So 5 hats I will color red. Now next question is color 3/5 hats blue. How many hats did you color blue? Answer is 3/5 of 15. Children, we know 1/5 part of 15 is 3. 2/5 part of 15 is 6. So 3/5 part of 15 will be 9. So 9 hats I will color blue. So children, in this figure you can see that 1/3 hats out of 15 hats, that is 5 hats, are colored red. 3/5 hats out of 15 hats, that is 9 hats, are colored blue. Now we are supposed to find what parts of the hat are not colored. So answer is number of colored hats is 5 plus 9, that is 14 hats are colored red or blue. But in this figure total 15 hats are given. So the number of hats that are not colored is 15 minus 14, that is 1 hat. So 1 hat is not colored. So part of the hat not colored will be 1 hat out of 15 hats. That is 1 by 15. C. Equal parts of a triangle, page 53. In the first figure, you can see that a white triangle is divided into 3 equal parts. Now you are supposed to fill each 1/3 part with different colors. So figure 2 shows that all 3 parts are filled with different colors. One with red color, another with blue color, and third one with green color. All these 3 are equal parts. Now you are supposed to show that these 3 parts are equal. Can you show that? Yes, we can show that these 3 parts are equal. For this, we will trace the 3 triangles on a tracing paper and take the cutout of all these 3 parts. Then we will place all 3 cutouts of these parts over each other in a proper order to see that one triangle covers the another. This will show that all the parts are equal. Now again this white triangle is given. You have to try to make 3 equal parts of this triangle, but this time in different way. After making 3 equal parts, you are supposed to color 1/3 part with different colors. The answer is shown in next figure, that is figure B. Thank you. Hope to meet you in next session now.